Yo, people. We are going to finish this up by doing number 8 and number 9. All right. I got another inequality to graph. So I'm going to get rid of all these guys by hitting the X. There we go. Now I'm going to make a new graph. But this one says, which inequality is best represented by the graph? So look at the graph. I'm going to zoom in so you can see that the graph has a dotted line. I know it looks like it's supposed to be a solid line, but it's really dotted. That's the shading. That's the computer trying to shade. So it's a dotted line and it's shaded up. It's going through positive 2. So I want a line that is going through positive 2 that's dotted and shaded up. So let's put these in Desmos and see what we get. So I'm going to do it one at a time to see if it's a line that goes through negative 2. And remember, this line is going down. That line is going down. So the slope is negative. So let's see. I better hurry because I'm at 7% on this iPad. Okay. Y, sorry, not double Y. Y is less than negative 2 divided by 3. X plus 2. Okay. That's shaded down, so it's not that one. B is Y is greater than negative 2/3 X plus, I forgot my inequality, greater than X plus 2. There we go. I got a dotted line going through the positive 2. And it's going down, it's dotted, and it's shaded up. I'm going to put a check mark by B and see what else I get. Okay, let's try the next one. Y is greater than negative 3/2 X plus 2. Shaded line is a little slanted up more, as I believe it was Jose said it's steeper. So it's not that one. So let's try the last one. Y is greater than negative 3/2. 3/2 X plus 2. There we go. And as you can see, this graph is slanted. It's higher. The slope is 3/2, so it's higher. It's steeper than the graph that we have graphed. So letter B is looking pretty good. The last thing that I'm going to check is the rise over run, the slope of the line that I've chosen. The slope is 2/3. I'm going to put a dot here. And looks like a good dot there. My rise is 2. My run is 3. That's my answer, letter B. Okay, The last problem that we are doing today is number 9. It says, what would be the effects on the graph of the linear parent function f of x? I'm going to go ahead and graph that. Oh, never mind. I can't graph that in Desmos. I forgot f of x is not something that Desmos does. But we do have notes on the transformations. Let me find them. Here they are. We did this, uh-oh, you can't see it, sorry. We did this transformation. We did that transformation. That one, and the last one that we did today was, I just had it, give me a second, where'd it go? Oh, and this guy right here. We did that transformation. So I didn't write down in my book, but let's go ahead and go over. The steep line was 2 f of x. I didn't do that right. 2 f of x. There we go. That's better. That's this line right here. The lazy line down here was 1/2 f of x. There we go. So the problem says a -3. So there are 2 transformations going on. First is the negative. And if I look back at my notes for the negative transformation is a reflection over the x-axis. So I'm going to write that down. Reflection over x. Okay. The second transformation is the 3. Which is what we kind of did today. The 3, or the 2 in our problem today, made the line get steeper. So what do you think a 3 is going to do? Is it going to make the line get even more steep or less steep? Is 2 bigger than 3 or smaller than 3? If you said more steep, you are correct. So the 3 makes the line steeper. So the transformation is a reflection over x as well as the line is steeper. Okay. So the negative is the reflection. The 3 makes it steep. Okay? That's all I got for you today. I hope this was helpful. Yeah, we talked about all of, I just blanked out. I was going to talk about these formulas right here, but I already did it. I wrote them down right here, and I could have put them there. But anyway, I hope you do well in your test tomorrow and make sure that you're behaving very appropriately for the sub tomorrow. Very important that you do that. And I will see you Thursday. Toodles.